how to use Grok AI image generator for free. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. For this, simply log into your X account or the Twitter account, then simply click on this option of Grok over here and then select this option of create images. Now simply type draw and then you can type anything that you are looking to create picture for. Suppose you wanted to create an image of forest with Pokemons. Just type your imagination and then click enter. Then wait for it to do its work, and after waiting for a while you would be able to see an image being generated on the prompt that you have given to the Grok, and it is completely free. No amount or no money is required to do this. So this is how you would be able to do it, generate images using Grok for free. And you can also go with the pastel painting style or any other style if you are looking for that as well. And if you want to download it or edit it, simply select the edit option in order to edit it. And if you want to download it, simply click on this option of save image in order to download it. And you get the post image and the copy image option as well if you want to utilize them. And this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.